What's that smell, Mom? It was a sunny Monday morning when little Dara came running into the kitchen holding his nose. Mom, what's that smell? It's so stinky. Mom smiled. It's Bahok. We're having fish paste stew today. Dara made a face. Fish? It smells like the ocean forgot to take a bath. Tuesday came with a new smell. Mom, what's that smell? It's so funky. Mom chuckled. It's durian, the king of fruits. Dara looked confused. King? It smells like a fart wearing a crown. On Wednesday, Dara woke up to an even smellier kitchen. Mom, are you making that smell again? Mom laughed. It's nompang chok, traditional Cambodian noodles with fermented fish. Dara shook his head. It smells like the fish is still swimming. Backwards. Thursday was no better. Mom, is the trash can alive? Mom giggled. It's kapi, shrimp paste for our dipping sauce. Dara sighed. It smells like the shrimp had a wild party. Friday came and Dara sniffed cautiously. Mom, what's burning? Mom replied, it's cha klung, lemongrass stir fry. Dara scratched his head. Lemongrass? It smells like the grass is on fire. Saturday smelled weird too. Mom, is the fridge broken? Mom smiled. It's amlor coco, mixed vegetable stew with fish. Dara groaned. It smells like the vegetables got into an argument with the fish. Finally, it was Sunday. Dara sighed and asked, Mom, why do you always cook stinky food? Mom kneeled down and said, because it's our tradition, Dara. The smells may be strong, but they're full of love and flavor. That night, Dara sat at the table with a small spoonful of bahok on his plate. He sniffed it cautiously. It's not bad, he said, but it still smells stinky. Over the weeks, Dara got braver. He tried kapi with rice, slurped nam banchok, and even ate a whole slice of durian. It's still stinky, Dara said, but it tastes kinda good. One day, Dara invited his friends over. Don't be scared of the smell, he told them. It's stinky, but delicious. His friends giggled and tried the food. Soon Dara's friends started asking for Mom's cooking. It smells stinky, but it's so yummy, they said. And from then on, Dara realized something important. Mom, he said, the smell of your cooking means home. Even if it's stinky, it's the best smell in the world. The end.